Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check save files on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, you will want to locate the Files app on your iPhone. You can either swipe down on your home screen and search for files or manually scroll through your apps to find it. For me, it is on the home screen, so I will open it out. Once you open the Files app, you'll see all your files in one place. This is where most files you will need will be stored. There are a few ways to navigate through this, but I will show you the basics. If you swipe to the side, you will see a panel with On My iPhone and possibly other services like Google Drive or iCloud Drive. Here, I have folders set up for my downloads and other files I use frequently. To create new folders, simply long press and select New Folder to keep everything organized. If you use iCloud Drive, you can access those files too. If you have set up iCloud on your device, you will see it listed under iCloud Drive in the Files app. I personally use iCloud for storage, and it is really convenient to access files across all my devices. So if you download anything, it should be located in the Downloads folder or somewhere within the On My iPhone section, depending on where you save it. And that is everything you need to know about how to check save files on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.